Manood ka ng mga comedy movies if nalulungkot ka. Watching movies are therapy. Like, girl, for me, yung mga movies na very uplifting, like rom-com, comedy, for example, The Hangover. Like, girl, if hindi mo pa napapanood ang The Hangover, utang na girl, like, saang planeta ka, te? Please, 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 Sabrina Carpenter, te, utang na loob, panoorin mo yun. I-bash mo ako, te, if hindi ka matatawa sa movie na yun. Like, for me, that's one of the best comedy movies of all time. Also, te, The Wrong Missy and Bad Moms. Like, basta, te, manood ka ng mga comedy movies, ang mabahay sa septic tank, as in, te, like, nakaka-uplift talaga, especially if sobrang stressful ka. Like, give yourself a time para manood ng movie, te. Like, what I mean by movie night, as in focus ka talaga nang wala kang ginagawa. It's a therapy and it's a form of meditation. Yes, te, watching movie is a form of meditation, te. Hindi lang tayo yung pag-meditate is yung parang ganyan lang, te. Meditation is being present. Meditation is focusing in the present moment, enjoying the present moment, outside external and internal noises. Watch comedy movies, te. Like, comedy movies talaga, te. Hindi mga horror or what. Napaka low vibrational na mga horror movies, te. Comedy movies. Something that could uplift your mood, na talaga matatawa ka talaga. And hindi reels, te, yung parang easily accessible na dopamine load, te. Movie talaga. Para ma-develop din yung attention span mo, te, kasi alam kong sira na yung attention span mo. Sa mga movie lovers dyan, sa mga movie goers dyan, girl, mag-recommend kayo ng comedy movies kasi I'm in my movie era ngayon. Movie era. So, papanorin ko yan, te. So, yeah, watch comedy movies. Girl, The Hangover, utang na loob, te. Yan muna yung panoorin mo ngayon. That's all and keep going!